Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Lessons. We're on video number 5 of our 10 video series, How to Dance to the 5 main salsa instruments. I suggest if you found this video by accident, of course you're welcome to watch it, but I suggest you take in the description that playlist that starts from video number 1, which is the Conga, the most easiest instrument to start with. Timing. Listen to the guiro. That's right, even if it's spelled with a G, it's pronounced like you're trying to do a loogie. Guiro. Let's see some guiros. The most traditional shape, the Cuban guiro. This is actually wood, but in Cuba they make it from pumpkin and do these grooves right here. And it's like a grinder. An Indonesian guiro, made out of bamboo with the grooves, bamboo and connected bonus string. Nice and percussive. There is the funny frog. It's got a stick in his mouth, and this is from Africa. This is a lot more powerful and rough for the Afro styles. Very loud. And the piece de résistance, a professional LP brand. Now, if you want something good, this is not an ad, go buy LP percussions. And I'm gonna be using this to show you how this one sounds in salsa. This is gonna be very easy to understand the sound of the guiro and how it's supposed to sound in salsa. The two main sounds. We have a slow and 2 quicks. That's the pattern, guys. Visualize it and look at it and hear it. Slow, quick. You might see guiro players going the slow upwards, but I got used to it down, so it really doesn't matter. That sound. You can imitate that with a ch, 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 ch. So you have that long one. Ch, 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 ch. And now if we put it continuously, so now that we saw a few guiro selections and we heard the pattern, I'm gonna be imitating it with the mouth, and let's see on the one how does that one work. Now, I played very slow the guiro, of course, but don't worry, it's for you to listen where your step is if you're dancing on 1 or on 2. How many on 2s? So for on 1 dancers, we're gonna hear that first shh, not the ch. And when we hear ch, we step forward. Ch. Then we have ch. We step back or on the spot. And then ch. That's when we close. Ch. That's the pause. Okay, let me make it easier. The long stroke ch, is on the 1, 3, 5, and 7. So 1, 3, so that's forward and closing. 5, 7, and that's closing again. Now the ch for our on 2 dancers, and maybe it will help our on 1 dancers as well for the ear, the ch happens on the 2, the 4, the 6, and the 8. That's coming next. Now let's pick it up a little bit, and every time you hear the ch, it's either forward, ch, closed, ch, back, ch, 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's do 2 of them and start. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and okay, you're up to speed. In this video, I'm not gonna do it in slow. I'm gonna go straight away to the faster one. Let's go. Guiro. Very good, guys. Rewind this video, follow along, listen to that sound. Try to imitate it with your mouth if you can while you're dancing it. And now for our on 2 dancers. Just like we did the Conga, there is two ways we can play around with this. Now, the most basic and modern way would be, just like we do on other timing of the 1-3-5-7, instead of going forward on one, we break and step with the right and then forward. So in the long we don't want to be forward. We want to be forward on the second beat of the giro. And we go here, that's the left foot, the second beat, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now there's one last little detail there. Just like with the conga, we had the option of being in the air for that cung cung. Here we are going to be on the changing. Now there's and that we travel in the air. Long one. Right? Back on 6. And now here's the last one. So there's a little, not pause, moving pause on the timing. Let's give it a try. 5, 6, 7. Next one. Okay, the next one is stepping on 4 and 8, or starting on 8 and 4. Meaning you want to start when you and the long one, do nothing, just pause. That's more close to the mambo clásico, the cubano from Cuba, which is called son. It's beautiful, and we should learn that too. And when we put that music with only the giro, we're gonna practice both timings. Now let's finish this one. When do we start? You see I step there on the and not on the slow one? I hope you had enough of me going. Let's do that to music. The first way, the modern way. Now for the second way, Cubano son. Side note, you can download 15 of these tracks with individual or two again, and 3 different instruments in different order starting from my website. Find link in the description. You can purchase it at any price. This download, you start from €1, whatever you believe, if this lesson was helpful.